Kung mag-exceed tayo, bahala siguro. Grabe kayo guys. 350 viewers tayo guys. So, eto guys. Yeah, thank you so much guys. Ito guys is volume. Okay. Paano natin boss malalaman na ito guys ito makinig kayo. Tips and tricks. Paano natin boss malalaman na itong demand na to are legit? You know what guys? Volume can confirm also that one. Okay? Volume yung magsasabi dyan na, hey man, I'm here. Volume can provide that. Okay, makinig kayo. Okay, ito, for example, ganito. Yung always kong ginagawa guys na ganito, yeah, 'di ba? Always kong ginagawa is ganito, for example, uptrend, tapos nag-gonzo, tapos boosh, okay? Alam nyo, always kong ginuguhitan ng ganito, okay? Kasi dyan yung demand zone. Kung pababa, kung baliktad, for example, right here, bam, that's a supply zone. Okay? Pwede nyo gamitin lahat. Support and resistance yan, coach. Area lang yan, coach. Okay, no problem. Hindi tayo mag-aaway para lang sa ganyan. No worries. Mag-aaway lang tayo kung nagbebenta ka ng course tapos pink na trendline lang yung tinituro mo. Okay. So, eto guys, paano ko nalolocate? Okay? Paano ko nalolocate na etong area na to are valid using volume guys. Using volume. Eto guys makinig kayo. Ganito yung ginagawa ko. Pag ito, for example, nag-gonzo right here, nag-gonzo, eto. Nag-gonzo siya. Tapos nag-breakout ng gonzo with spike of volume, okay? Like this one, like yung volume, for example, here, yung volume here is ganito. Yan. At saka, pag umabot dito guys, nagkaroon ng boosh, spike, increasing. Tapos collectively, pataas talaga siya, okay? It doesn't mean ganito guys na kailangan pataas. Hindi ganun guys, okay? Kailangan lang, compared sa previous movement niya, umaangat siya. Okay? Compared sa previous performance ng price, which is here, ito yung resibo ng price, it represent money, kailangan pataas siya. Okay? So that, yung breakout dyan on that level can confirm na, ito yung demand ni Dokodo. Okay? Papangalanan naman natin kasi bida-bida tayo. This is Dokodo demand. Wow! Pero ayaw kong i-accept yan guys, okay? Hindi tayo BS. Wala tayong dapat ganito, ganyan. No. Gusto ko generic lang. Kung ano yung magigets nyo, go. Okay? Hindi ko na kailangan pakomplikahin pa na lalagyan ko ng mga terminologies para magmukhang cool. No. Hindi tayo ganyan, okay? So, pag yung kaboses mo si Makagago. Okay, ito guys. For example, ito nag-breakout here. Tapos supported yung volume. Ito na yung demand na hinahanap natin. Okay, ito na. So, nagigets nyo guys? Nagigets nyo? Silver stories drifting, painted on the night, whispers in the darkness, lonely in the light, dew upon the meadow, memories of amazing, yes, okay.